Hey guys, it's me Althea. So today I'm going to be showing you my new Elle Surprise Collector's Guide. It is so pretty. Here's the front and the back. In the back it says, this Super Glam Guide is packed with everything you need to know about all your favorite Elle Surprises dolls. Read bios about every cute and fierce character. Solve secret messages. Meet the adorable little sisters. Plus loads more in this totally outrageous guide. Are you excited yet? So, let's find some dolls we can know about. Oh, here's Diva. She is in the Glee Club, and here's everything you need to know about her. In the fact, it says Diva loves nothing more than being on stage with her Glee Club squad. She gives her best performances when she remembers just to be herself. And if the dolls have little sisters, they also show them too. Here's the hint, and here is about the little sister. So yeah. Oh, here we have Leading a Baby. Here's all the facts about her. She kind of looks like Marilyn Monroe. So her fact is, Leading Baby selfie game is on point. Just give her a camera and a BFF to pose with and let the magic happen. # no filter needed. Here we have Baby Cat. Here's all of her facts. And it says, Baby Cat's stage presence is positively, oh, that's kind of like a joke. Positively fierce. For her theater is life so long as you keep that drama on the stage. So, yeah. Oh, here we have Sugar. So, her fact is, Sugar believes life is all about balance. She's a perfect blend of sweet and sassy and loves to chill out with her fiery BFF Spice. Here's Spice, Sugar's BFF. It says, Feisty Spice is loud, proud, and fiercely unique. Her wicked, cool style is sprinkled with just a hint of sweetness, thanks to her BFF Sugar. Oh, look, we have Fanime. So it says, Fanime is the ultimate fangirl. She believes you can be anyone you want to be, even your favorite character. Fanime is adorable. Oh, look, we have Majorette. It says in her fact, Majorette is the queen of the marching band. She's always ready to take the lead and inspire her Spirit Club pals. Here we have Cherry. And it says, fact. This old school sweetheart is all about vintage and vinyl. She thinks retro is rad and always looks sweet as pie with a cherry on top. Here we have Heartbreaker, and her fab fact is breaking hearts never looked so cute. This royal rebel loves fierce fashion that fits for a queen. Oh, here we have Troublemaker, and her fab fact is cheeky troublemaker is always getting up to mischief. Tricks, jokes, and games are just her cup of tea. You guys, look! They have Lux! Eee! Oh my gosh, look at her, guys. She's all gold. She is adorable. So her fab fact is, with shimmering hair and stars in her eyes, this golden girl loves all things lavish and lush. So yeah, she is a ultra rare. She's in series 2. Oh, what's this? Oh, this is a character number. So her character number is 2 out of like 500 or something. I don't know. So yeah. So, you guys, hope you like this video. Subscribe, hit the notification bell to know when I post new videos. So, yeah, peace out, you guys.